Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I do my best to give you guys the top projects to make money, to protect yourself from inflation, and to keep your buying power. I've been doing a great job helping you guys pick up some gems, and I want to review everything that we've done so far. I want to show you guys an update on what's happening in the market, what I'm expecting, and I'm not trying to be Nostradamus or anything, but guys, like everything that I've been calling have been happening exactly to the letter. And I want to bring you back real quick to this video that I posted about very important price update of Bitcoin. I'm going to play it just real quick. Bitcoin chart, as you can see, this is looking great. This is looking very bullish. I'm seeing maybe that if we do break this all-time high, $50,000 is absolutely very close in the cards. We could literally snap from 42,000 straight to 50,000. That is highly possible because this is a very so I called that out since February 6th, and basically Bitcoin did absolutely that. We snapped straight to $50,000. Right now, sitting at $51,439. And in this video, I'm going to looking at some very important things that I think you guys should watch and keep an eye on. And I also have another coin that I think you should probably get on. I'm sorry that I'm bringing this coin to you guys a little late, but I don't think it's too late. And we're going to take a look at that. If you appreciate that I take my time to make these videos to bring this up for you, because I am a very busy person and I'm literally giving this to you guys for free. And if you appreciate that, the only thing you can do really is click the like button and subscribe to the channel. That's how you show me that you appreciate what I'm doing. And with that said, let's take a look at CoinGecko real quick. We can see that Bitcoin's up 51,400. The entire market cap is up by 5.7%. Guys, we just reached a major price and the entire market cap. We have gone over $1.5 trillion for cryptocurrencies, which is absolutely amazing. A lot of people have been waiting for this for a long time. I've been waiting for this for a long time. What I want you guys to understand is the fact that we broke over that number has kind of legitimized the market for cryptocurrencies much more, and it's going to show big investors that there is a lot of value being put into these coins. For now, Bitcoin is about to break $1 trillion market cap. I want you guys to understand how huge that is, because once Bitcoin does this, the inflow of money is going to feel more confident in putting Bitcoin as a store of value once we break that 1 trillion market cap. And as you can see, you've had MicroStrategy buying over $3 billion of Bitcoin. Elon Musk coming with Tesla with 1.5 billion. MicroStrategy now is going to buy another $900 million of Bitcoin. And all this is happening while you have the oldest bank in America, Mellon, literally now trying to custody digital currency. You have two ETFs that's been approved in Canada, and you also have two requests for ETFs in the US, and one of them is being supported by JP Morgan Chase. So there's a lot going on, and I'm glad that you guys, if you've already dipped your toe into crypto, you're at such a great time. This entire year is going to be bullish for cryptocurrencies, and I don't want to hold you guys too much. I just wanted to share all this information that's happening in the background to try to like literally crunch this into my short videos now so that you can get the most value out of this video, and you know what to do if you appreciate that. So now let's take a look at the top winners. In the 24 hours, we have PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap, guys, I know this sounds crazy. I know this sounds like a meme. I know this sounds like a joke, but this is no joke. This is the coin that I'm going to talk to you guys about today, and there's a lot of reasons behind it. If you had profited from my call from Uniswap, if you have that I gave you guys Uniswap at $3, okay? If you guys have profited from my call and 1 inch, guys, I was giving you guys 1 inch like under $2. Okay, so like I know like PancakeSwap is at $10, but bear with me. I'm gonna get back to this but I want to go look at the price of Bitcoin and what's going on and what you guys should be watching. So as you can see from when I told you guys over here that once we break this $40,000, we just had that. See that line? This is the same line that I've had. I just keep pulling it out more because every time we get into this, we see some very, 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 very aggressive volatility, and it's either going up or it's going down. And this is to me like a very important range. And what was worrying me is that we had a wedge here, but we actually broke that up to the upside. And as you can see, as I told you guys, we literally touched it, the previous all-time high. We corrected automatically, and then we just had a pump, insane, and we literally just skyrocketed past that $42,000 straight to 50,000. Well, not straight, but almost. You see, we had a little resistance over here at 48,000. We went sideways a little bit through here, and as you can see, guys, we're sitting at $51,000 for Bitcoin. This is very funny because, you know, like March last year, Bitcoin was at $3,000. Okay. If you had taken a leap of faith and you have gotten in, then you would have been much profits right now. Ethereum was at $150 in March last year, and it's crazy how it's about to be a year, and these have like grown so much. And I want to show you guys what I'm looking at right now. And I have like two charts of Bitcoin, but they're easy to have different technicals on them, and I know you guys appreciate the TA, so I want to show you guys what I'm looking at. So over here, guys, I'm looking at the moving averages that the blue line is curving back up. What I'm seeing is this curve, this little round. I'm gonna go on the 30 minutes. This to me is a very bullish, but what I would like to see, even I know that majority of you would not like to see, is that Bitcoin comes back down here to that 49,000. Okay, we need to come back and test the again. I know we had it, but people would panic, and people will panic sell. But regardless, if we even go up a little bit, we need to come back and touch this level so that we can confirm the breakout. And from here, then after we confirm that breakout, I can see us pushing to seeing $60,000. And this is very interesting to look at, because if I pull this up on the 4 hours, we can see that we're slightly going to enter overbought area, but we just saw a cross in the MACD here, and that just signals that actually we might just go off from here. That would be enjoyable to look at, but that would not be my preferred scenario because of a couple things. You remember in my past video where I talked about the Bitcoin dominance and other cryptocurrencies market. So like, for example, this is others. So on the 4 hour, I have others here, and you can see that altcoins have been losing some value because we went over there. And I'm glad that seeing this trend line that's been holding us from this whole altcoin cycle is still holding us now. And if I put this on the 1 day, you see this major triangle that we're in. Guys, I can't make this up. I really can't make this up. And how accurately this major look at this. Every time we touch this, last time we touched this line, we went up 633%, and then we went sideways, doing sideways. This is the middle of this triangle here. And then last time we touched it down here, we went up 126%. So what I'm realizing is this triangle is keeping us inside. And as you can see, we touched it again here, and we went up a certain percentage. But as you can see, we're correcting. We went right back in. So what this tells me is there is a potential that if Bitcoin dominance continues to rise, that altcoins may take a hit. But at the same time, this could have been like that third bounce that literally, once we break out of this triangle completely, altcoins will move. Altcoins will start doing 10, 20, 100x. And I want you guys to be prepared for that. I want you guys to be prepared. Put your money in some altcoins that you know have very good fundamentals and very good technicals so that you can really ride the profits. And I'm going to show you a new one today. But before we get to that, so this is the Bitcoin dominance on the weekly. And this is the opposite of what I just showed you. as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance was going down. And what people were expecting is that if Bitcoin dominance keeps falling here, that will literally cause altcoins to explode. But what we're seeing is that Bitcoin is actually fighting to keep its dominance. I'm going to put this on the 4 hour. Bitcoin's actually fighting to keep its dominant. And if we do get that bounce back where Bitcoin starts moving up here, guys, your altcoins are going to get teared up. Your altcoins are going to like lose a lot of value. And that's one reason too, to just like be prepared, know your strategy. And regardless, I want you to understand, I don't want to scare you guys with this whole Bitcoin dominance versus altcoin dominance things, because regardless, we want Bitcoin to go up. Because if by Bitcoin going up, regardless if altcoins get teared up or if altcoins lose their value, Bitcoin going up is legitimizing altcoins as well, you know, because people are looking for the next thing. Like if you miss Bitcoin, they're going to Ethereum. If you miss Ethereum, what's next? You got to get into Cardano. You got to get into Polkadot. You got to get into Zilliqa. And let's, matter of fact, like what I mentioned these, let's take a look at some of them real quick. Like guys, these are literally like icon. Guys, icon is a buy right now. I know this looks insane, but icon is a buy right now. If you don't buy icon, probably between today and tomorrow, you guys are gonna miss out on a huge pump, because icon on the weekly view, look at this, very few resistance levels. I just wanted to shout that out real quick, because obviously it's been in my thought. I've been buying a lot of icon lately, and I've been telling my friends to buy a lot of icon as well. And like, let's look at like Polkadot. Look at Polkadot, guys. Remember when I was telling you guys, hey, buy Polkadot at $7 here. Look at this. Polkadot is at $30 now. So you need to keep this in mind, and you need to keep that strategy. Like, what is your strategy? What are you gonna do? Ethereum is looking very, very, very bullish. Ethereum is about to explode. We just broke out of this, and as you can see, I believe Ethereum is going to pump to $3,000 very, very soon, and it's going to actually ignite the bull market for all the altcoins to follow. So I'm gonna change over here on this different Bitcoin chart, because this one I have the EMA ribbon on, and what I've been telling you guys is, look at this. This has just been beautiful growth, guys. Beautiful growth. And right now, I think Bitcoin is going to break out, and it's going to shake the markets. Everyone's going to talk. Your grandma, your grandpa, if they haven't even heard about Bitcoin, they're about to hear about Bitcoin once Bitcoin hits $60,000 for sure. Even the most bearish dude, Peter Schiff, he switched his stance slightly and said, yeah, now that we hit 50K, which he said we would never hit, there's a high possibility that we may hit $100,000, and I want you guys to be ready for that. What are you gonna do if Bitcoin hits $100,000? You know, what are you gonna do? How are you prepared? But like I said, I'm really hoping that we do get a little bounce here, shake some weak hands off, and get ready to skyrocket. If Bitcoin does do a little dip here, I do see like some altcoins might lose value, or they might gain more value. But people right now, they know what they're buying in. And they're kind of confident in what they're investing. But don't be too confident in this market, because anything can happen. I've been very accurately predicting what's happening, but in reality, I don't really know what could happen. I'm literally sharing with you guys my best assumption, because of my technical that I'm analyzing with my technical analysis and with my fundamental analysis, and I'm also watching the way of the crowd, because it's also important to understand the sentiment. Cryptocurrencies and investing in crypto and these price fluctuations are all about people's sentiment. How do they feel about the market? Do they feel Bitcoin's overbought right now? I don't think so. I think people actually feel that Bitcoin's under, like Bitcoin literally has so much more room to grow. So we shall see how it gets from here. All right, so this is all that I have for this video today, and if you're excited about my next video, I'm going to update you guys on how my trades from 1,000 to 10,000 is going. And yeah, if you're excited for that, let me know. And if you appreciate that I take my time to make these videos to tell you guys what's going on in the market, how to prepare, and how to go forward from here, you know what to do. I really appreciate that, and it really helps the channel grow. I literally giving you guys these coins for free, and everybody's making money on this, so that's the least you can do. All right. Thank you all for watching my videos. Thank you all if you've been a follower of me since day one. I really appreciate that. Soon to be OGs. Yeah. I hope you guys are staying well. I hope you guys are staying safe. Most importantly, future proof.